Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of the trading series of 1,000 to 100,000 Crow. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm on a journey to 10K a month of passive income to spend more times with friends and family, and I want to help you all do the same. Alright, so in this episode, we're going to catch up to see where we are in the current progress of this challenge. We're going to talk about what our plans are moving forward and any little changes that we're going to make in the challenge. All right, so here we are on the spreadsheet that I made. And basically the way that I set this up is we have filled trades on the left, which is all the trades we've done since starting the challenge, the current trades that are open, type of order, amount of coins, and price. And then on the right side, we have a Satoshi cheat sheet along with our trading profits, current amount of Crow, percentage to our goal, and our portfolio increase. On the filled trade sides, you can see we started with 1,000 Crow and we got in. We started this challenge when Crow was at 70 cents. And you can see all the trades, like our first trade, we did 50 and bought back at 71 cents, all the way down to the most current. And alongside, you can see the Crow goes down whenever we sell. So you can see as we're going through the challenge, it go from 1,000 to 1,100 to 900. And just as we do more and more trades, the amounts will fluctuate. And we've done about 80 trades or so. We're currently at 1,657.46 Crow. With our most recent buy order of our weekly buy of $10 at 23.2 cents, we bought 43.12 Crow. Our most recent trade was when we bought some last week, and then we did a trade at roughly 31 cents, sold about 30, and then we bought back in at 28.5 cents. So we've done quite a bit of trading with this account. As you can see on the trades, we've been actually starting with like very small amounts for the trades, ranging between 20 and 30 Crow for each sell order, because we want to not sell everything. So if we had 25 orders, that would create 40 different trades before we ran out of Crow. So we wanted to start small, and as this number will increase, the amount of Crow will increase that we're making. This is also the reason that we've made only 72.17 Crow, which might not seem like a lot, but it actually is a lot because we average 1 to 2, maybe even 3 Crow per trade. So we've done about 30 to 40 plus transactions to make this 72 Crow. And as we increase the trades and we have more trades going on, the more Crow that we'll be making. Because there's some transactions that started with like 25 Crow that are now built up to almost 40 Crow or more. So if I make a 10% trade with that 40 Crow, I'll make 4 Crow as profit for it. And then as it gets to 100 Crow and builds off of itself, it'll be making 10 Crow per trade. And then if we trade for a little bit less, like 5% in one trade, then it'd make 5 Crow. And for example, the most recent buy that we did, we bought 40 Crow and we're having a sell order at 27.68 to sell 43 Crow. So if we make a 10% trade on that, we'd make over 4 Crow on that trade. As the challenge goes on, we'll see these numbers increase more and more because, like I said, we're basically reinvesting all the profits that we're making into the next trade. So I'm actually very pleased to see the progress that we've made on this challenge. Despite the prices of Crow changing a lot, we're still working on achieving this goal. We are 1.6%, almost 1.7% to our goal, so we're still a long ways away. But like as I said before, with more and more time, this will be exponential. The amount of increasing that we see from this, from each trade, this will grow faster and faster. So we might hit 2,000 in the next couple of months, and then we might go from 2,000 to 3,000 a lot faster than 1,000 to 2,000. And then from 3,000 to 5,000 pretty quick, and so on. It'll just grow exponentially, and the more volatility, the more trading opportunities that there will be in the market. And our portfolio increase is up 65.75%, and here are all the current trades that are open. You can see there's all these different USD amounts, and then one Satoshi trade. So something that I want to do more with this challenge moving forward is I want to do more Bitcoin trades. So Crow against Bitcoin, because with the recent news, Crow went from about 1,000 Satoshis all the way down to like 650 or 670 range of Satoshis. And so if we would have sold like 50 Crow at 1,000 Satoshis and then rebought around 700 Satoshis, we'd make an additional like 30 crow from that one trade. That's something that I want to increase more, is the amount of trading against Bitcoin, because for example, today, the price of crow in Bitcoin is up about 8%, 8 to 10%. So that could even be an opportunity to set up a trade here at like 750 to 760 Satoshis and sell like 50 or sell 25 crow, and then place an order to buy back in at like 680, 690 Satoshis and make almost 10% from that trade. And so I want to definitely set up more trades like that as we get back up to 1,000 Satoshis. If we do, then we'll have more trading opportunities there as well. And another thing with the challenge is the longer that we're staying at these lower ranges, as we were trading between like 35 and 45, 50 cents for a while. So most of our trades were in between those prices. And you can see that our orders, a lot of our orders that are above like 30 were in those price ranges of between like 40 and 50 cents. So we had a lot of those trades increase over that time. And then when we broke down below to like 30 cents and even lower, we're creating a whole new territory for trades. So we're gonna be setting up more trades in the 25 to 35 cent range and be doing a lot more trades in those areas, even all the way down to 20 cents. So this will create a lot more opportunity in these ranges, and we'll just work with what we got for now. And then as it goes back up, we'll be able to trade in the new ranges as we see it. So the strategy that I use in this challenge is called laddering, and it's where every little bit you're selling and then you're also rebuying at lower prices. So we've sold from like 40 cents to 45, 50, 55, and so on. And then we ladder back down and we buy at 40 cents, 35, 30, and so on. So basically, whether or not it moves up or down, it's gonna hit our buys and sells. And it's kind of like a trading bot would work, where it does the same type of strategy. It ladders in and out. So the more volatile that it is, the more crow that we can make in the challenge. And it's been working pretty well so far. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out episode 2 and episode 1 if you haven't seen them already. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.